Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to freeze multiple columns in Excel. So before starting the video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So let's suppose that if we want to freeze column number A, B and C, basically if we just scroll to the right here, these three columns should remain visible all the time. So what we have to do here, basically we have to select column D here, okay, and then it will freeze all the remaining column before it. So you will select column D and make sure that you are into this view tab here, okay, and then from here you will tap on this option where it says freeze panes and then tap on freeze panes. And now basically if I scroll to the right here, you can see that these three columns are freezed, okay. So that's how you can basically freeze multiple columns in Excel. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.